Divide 861 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 1 and it is 11. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 861 divided by 5 is 172 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.